loves, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing well. So I created this look for Valentine's Day. I guess I can call this look like a sassy, sexy, but yet wearable. And I will be using the Huda Beauty Nude palette along with the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette. So if you're interested in this look, just keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to get started with the Too Faced Shadow of Insurance, one of my favorite primers for eyeshadow. And I'm going to put that all over my lids and let that dry a little bit. And I thought I was recording with my audio on, and unfortunately my microphone was totally off. So that's why you see me talking and putting my primer on, but here I am. Alright, so we're going to use Teddy, which is a nice, beautiful transition shade. That's the name of the shadow. And I'm going to put that all over on the bottom of the brow bone and into the middle of the eye socket and bringing it down towards the middle of my eyelid. Now we're going to use this beautiful raspberry color. It's called Spanked. So I'm going to dab that into the palette. Does anybody still do that? So I'm going to concentrate that color mostly in the eye socket and bringing it out a little bit out of the eye socket, if that makes any sense. Just to blend it out with the transition shade. And now we're going with Raw, just so beautiful. It's like a reddish brown. It's so gorgeous. And I'm mainly going to concentrate that in the eye socket as well, and just basically putting it over that raspberry color we just did. And now we're gonna deepen it in more. And this brown is so beautiful. It's like a dark chocolate brown. Oh, it's gorgeous. And it's called That's Rich. That's a cool name for it. So I'm gonna put that in the eye socket, mainly concentrating it more and bringing it out just a little bit so it could be blended with the other colors. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut this crease. I wasn't too crazy of getting it too perfect. Right here I couldn't decide which color to go with. I ended up going with the one on the edge, which that one is called Highly Selective. It's like a beautiful pinkish sheen color. And I'm just gonna put that over that concealer. Going to use this two-sided NYX silicone brush, and I'm going to put that glitter over that sheen color, and it's called Diamond Glitterati. I hope I didn't kill the name. So I put the glitter glue on first, and now I'm just adding that beautiful pink glitter. Oh, it's just so pretty. A little messy, but it's pretty. Alright, so now I'm just working my way down. So I'm going back with those transition colors that we did. So I'm working with the dark brown all the way down to that light transition color we did. Alright, so I just realized that I've been recording without my audio. So you probably already heard over the voiceover. That's the reason why I did the voiceover, because my mic was off the whole time I did the freaking tutorial. But it's okay. At least you guys got to see it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my face. But first, I need some water. I love this cup. It's so cute. It says, "There is a chance this is wine." But it's water. I'm gonna use my Professional from Benefit. My favorite primer right now. Where is it? And I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty foundation. That is real good. It's so good. I'm just gonna dampen my sponges. I want to try this sponge actually. I tried it once, but I didn't like it, so I want to see if I really don't like it or what. I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation on here. This foundation is actually a little, not too dark, but I think it's just perfect for the summer. If I get tanned, if I ever get tanned. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and damp this on my skin. Yeah, you can see it's a little dark, but not too much. I think it's perfect, but we'll make it work. Yeah, I don't know if I like this sponge, you guys. Are you guys using this sponge? I feel like I'm damping. I feel like I'm damping with a freaking kickball. No, I can't. I gotta use it my real techniques. Maybe because it's new. What do you think? I don't know. Maybe because it's a new sponge. I haven't really tried it like all over my face and keep wetting it, keep using it. I love this foundation. You can tell right off the bat, it just gave me a full coverage. Look at that. Oh yeah, love it. Okay, now this side. Do you have a preference how you put your foundation? What section of your face do you start to put on your foundation? Mine is always on my right side, and then work out my chin, and then go in with my left side. Okay, I'm just putting a little bit more here because you can see a little bit more scarring right here. Stupid pimples. Ugh. And I'm just gonna put a little foundation on my eyebrows. Am I the only weirdo that does this? I feel like the eyebrow products that I use, which is pencils, I feel like it glides on better when it has foundation than not having foundation. I don't know, it's just weird. Do you do that too? Like, I've tried it with and without foundation, and not a big fan if I don't put foundation on my eyebrows for some reason. I don't know, I feel like the pencil doesn't sit right. I feel like it doesn't glide on right. Something happened over here. This is sometimes why I debate on putting my eyeshadow first and then my foundation, because I always ruined the outer parts of the foundation. But it's okay. I'm gonna go back and blend that out. It's okay. No big deal. It's makeup. It's fixable. So I'm gonna go ahead and put concealer under my eyes here. And I'm gonna use this sponge. Actually, I'm gonna use this little one. Alright, so I put concealer here to highlight and to lighten up a little bit of the foundation. Alright, so I'm going to contour my cheeks a little bit. And I'm using the Fit Me stick and coconut. Coconut. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit on the forehead and then just blend it out. And I'm going to be using the Beauty Bakery Flour and Translucent Powder. I'm gonna use the Morphe blender sponge, and I'm gonna bake just a little bit. And then I'm just gonna set the rest of the makeup around my nose. Make sure there's no open creases, and just lock in that foundation. I can't bake for a long time. I feel like my under eye area will dry up a lot. I had beautiful skin when I was pregnant with my girls. Oh my gosh. No breakouts, no oiliness, just normal skin. Oh my god, it's just beautiful. Love it. It's like, why can my skin be like that the whole time? Why? I don't understand. I don't understand. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because it takes forever, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I went and go ahead and did my lashes as well and did the shadow under the eyes. So now I'm starting with the bronzer. And I'm using my favorite Chocolate Soleil from Too Faced. I love that bronzer. It's not too cool, not too warm. It's just bomb.com. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my blush. I love this blush. My favorite. This is Embellish by Tarte. I feel like I use this in every video. It's Valentine's Day. Why not go rosy, you guys? Woohoo! Okay, now I'm gonna blend that out. And now we're gonna do a highlight, and I'm gonna use the Milani. This is in Sunlight #1. And I'm going to use my fan brush. I'm just gonna swirl all of those colors. There we go. I'm gonna mix 2 highlighters. So I'm gonna mix this one. Then I'm gonna use the Anastasia one. Pretty much. It's so good. And I'm just gonna put that one right on the cheekbone right here. Oh yeah, girl. Look at that wet cheek. Yeah, girl, we want this highlight to be blinding. A little bit on the Kiki Spill. Now, what lip to go with this look? Nude or like the same color as the eyeshadow? Or yeah, we can do red. What do you think about red? I think red will call it really sexy and sassy and just like, I got it going on. Or this one, I feel like it's like, yeah, girl, get it. I love it. I don't know. What do you think? Or nude, like a nice, calm, romantic kind of gal. I think I'm gonna go with red. I feel like red is calling my name. Why not? Let's be spontaneous. I'm gonna do, this is the NARS, what is it? Cruella. I'm gonna put lipstick over it, which is my favorite lipstick right now. This one is by Revlon, and this is Matte 06 Really Red. That's what it's called. Cruella de Vil, Cruella de Vil, if she doesn't scare you. Where is that from? Anybody know? It's one of my favorite movies, 101 Dalmatians. Last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and mist.
smells so good. It smells so refreshing. I needed that refreshment. I'm hot. I could have gone with the nude lip, but I feel like the red one just calls it, get it, mama. It's sexy, it's beautiful, it's sassy. I mean, I think either color, all three of them will look really good with this look. I mean, if you want to, you know, be sassy and sexy and just try something new with the red lip and this shadow, girl, go for it. Why not? Be spontaneous. Hashtag me if you recreate this look. Let's see, what can we come up with our little family here? Should we do hashtag Cindy Love Fam? Yeah, let's do that. So if you recreate this look, hashtag me on Instagram on Cindy Love Fam. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had fun playing with these colors, and I hope you try this color with the red lip or with the nude lip or even this one. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you did, and I will see you in my next one. And don't forget, what makes you different makes you beautiful. Happy Valentine's Day. I love you, loves. Bye.